Barry Morgan, is-reolwr Aberystwyth, llongyfarchiadau mawr ar y 3 phwynt am ganlyniad.
Ie, yn definite. Cyn y gêm, nath ni lawr yma. O'n i'n gwybod oedd ystod 3 ni heddi. Oedd un ddim yn mynd i fod yn digon. A holwn ni'r players cyn ma. Un ma mas cael ymateb ar ôl, collon ni 6-1 i'r ein, dwi'n tair wythnos nôl. A yn eiddi colli 6-1 ar y dydd fel. Ond ni wedi holi nhw dros i cadw gweithio'n galed a heddi mae bach mwy fel ni wedi sis ni fod fel de, so am rhaid ni cadw yn ymlaen nawr.
Andy Dyer, that was a humdinger of a game. Did you think your team deserved a point by the end?
No, if I'm honest with you. I think the 3 points has gone to the right team tonight. The apathy in our performance the first half and so on and so forth have, really didn't set the right tone for us. And to be fair to Aberystwyth, we're the better team.
Captain Jack leads Aberystwyth to an important 3 points. Many congratulations, Jack, not only on the victory but also the 2 excellent goals.
Yeah, we said in the dressing room beforehand that this could be our only chance. We've had enough excuses through the season. This is the one where, we didn't want to say it, but if we didn't win, then could potentially be down. So, just credit to the boys, and it's always nice to get the 2 goals in it. So, go again.
But in terms of the 2 goals, they were excellent strikes. Jack, talk us through them both.
Over the past couple of games, the gaffer's moved me back into midfield, so I can get forward a bit more. So the first one, I think, is just Bradders has done brilliant to flick it on, and I was just there at the right time. And then the second one, ball's come out from a corner, and I just thought if I hook it back in towards the back post, I might have a chance. And luckily, it went straight in.
We've scored 10 goals in the last, I think, 3 or 4 games, and yet still not winning games of football. So it's not good enough from us, And if you look at the 2 first goals with set plays, again, it's where we were at the beginning of the season. It seems to have just started creeping back into us, and we've got to be better at it.
Jonathan Evans, Aberystwyth's top scorer. Many congratulations on the win and the 3 points and an all-important 3rd goal.
Yeah, I mean, let's make no bones about it. Today we knew coming down here that if we'd have lost today, it was pretty much curtains for us. We'll never give up, but I mean, if we'd lost today, it would have been an absolute mountain to climb. So it was important today not to lose, and we haven't, and we've come away. This is a very, very tough place to come. They've beaten TNS, they've given us a real bad beating here as well. So today, it was nice to see to show the fans as well that we got a bit of fight about us, and because a lot of people have written us off and given up on us, let's be honest. So it's nice just to give people a bit of hope in the town, because it's tough when you're following a club and been performing like we have. We've been struggling and not really giving the fans anything to cheer about. So today, it's nice to repay them and the travelling boys to come and see us, and very happy, yeah.